a little glass dish in the microwave.
Got it.
I close the door.
Which door?
The door to the microwave! What is wrong with you? You follow all the rules when you're a studious guy.
Step one.
Insert the packet, set the power to high. Cook for 1.5 minutes to 2.5 minutes.
Kind of a wide range.
Trying to make microwave popcorn in a microwave. I am on that wave. I am on that wave. Trying to make microwave popcorn. The popcorn's done. I open up the door, I take it out.
God damn, that's hot. Super hot. Makes sense.
I burn my fingy. I open up the packet. It smells smoky and the kernels are black. Shit. I burned it. I burned it.
Yes, for real. Do you think you're helping by saying all this?
I'm giving up.